video, we're going to learn how to use our calculator to draw a histogram or a bar graph, and that'll tell us something about the distribution of our data. Remember, this channel's about helping you to pass your math class so you can achieve your goals and get a better life. Histograms coming right up. The first thing I want to do is make sure that I'm starting with a blank slate. I'm going to hit the Stat key and I'm going to choose number 4, Clear Lists. Then second list, choose L1, so hit Enter, comma, second list, and L2. If you think you might have more information in more lists, you should list all of them. Then I'm going to hit Enter, and you can see that I've now cleared all the data out of my list. Next, we want to put our data into list 1, into L1. We're going to hit Stat, and then come down here and hit Edit, and we're going to put our data points, which is the crime rates per 100,000 inhabitants, 713.6. Enter puts the 1994 crime rate in, and then 684.5. Enter. Notice here it's we're now up to list 1, number 3. Continue that until you've got all 20 data points in your list 1. Next, after we've entered all our data points, notice I have L1, item 20 is 367.9. I want to go into stat plot. So second stat plot opens up the stat plot menu. You can see they're all turned off right now. I'm going to choose L1 or stat plot 1, and I want to hit on to make sure it's turned on. Now I want to scroll down to type, and let's go over here to histogram. Keep your eye on the X and Y list because that's going to change. And we put our data in L1. The next thing we have to do is to go to the window and set our window. We can actually have the calculator help us with our window here. I'm going to hit the zoom key that opens up the zoom memory, and that's an automatic setting for the window. I'm going to scroll down here where it says zoom stat and hit enter, and that will show me the histogram. If I want to see what the calculator's automatically done with the window, I can click here, and I see that it starts at 367.9, so it starts at the lowest point, goes up to 782.4, and it goes up every about 69, 70. So the last thing we want to think about here or consider is, does this histogram show us a normal distribution? And if I look at what this distribution might look like, it does not look like this normal distribution. This is actually called a right-tailed distribution because it tails off towards the right, so it's not normally shaped. I would like to invite you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks very much for listening.